Isn't that a beauty? So I got the full Yoshimura exhaust system on my Yamaha Fz-07, and when I recorded the stock exhaust, for some reason there was like a little thumping noise when I recorded it. So to make it fair, using the same GoPro, you can see my mic in the left hand corner, and so let's see how it sounds. Sorry if you hear the thumping. And first I'm going to start off with a cold start, and I'm going to show you the stock one right now. And now I'm going to show you the Yoshimura cold start. And that was the cold start. So now I'm going to do a slight little rev and then hold it at 3,000 to 4,000 RPM so you can hear it. Listen, if you rev it real quick, it like pops. Personally, I like that. And last but not least, I'm going to redline it so you can hear how it sounds. And there you go. There is the full Yoshimura exhaust. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. Personally, I like it. It costed me around $700 for the full exhaust, free shipping off Revzilla, and then I had to spend $300 on a power commander, a tuner. I'll show you that. There is the power commander. I got the power commander 5. It's the most modern one, the best one out there. And after the power commander, it costed me $80 to tune it, and a total of $235 to install. Another thing I do want to mention is you are going to need 2 gaskets. If you can see it right in there, you're gonna need 2 gaskets. And Yoshimura, even though they're looking out for you, personally they don't send you one, and I don't like that. But I like the exhaust. I think it was worth about $1,200 I spent to get it installed. I think it was worth it. I'll put the link in the description for everything. And there is the full exhaust. Thanks for watching. If you had any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be sure to answer it. If you like the video, go ahead and like it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to check out other reviews I have on my Yoshimura. No, on my Yamaha. On my Yamaha Fz-07. Alright, thanks for watching. Adios.